guys, it's Little Man holding. Ooh, camera. Ho ho! What is this? Is this mail? Let me just open this baby right here. Yeah. Ooh. Ooh, feels weird. Yeah! Let's go! Sorry guys, I'm not... It's not gonna... I gotta go get the scissors. Yo, cameraman, do this for me, please. I'll hold the camera for you. Hey guys, okay. Yeah, okay, hey guys. I'm sorry, I don't know how to open package, but my cameraman is very, very strong. He is the one and only strong. So you guys are gonna have to wait a little bit. And okay, there we go. Okay, it's open. Cameraman. Oh wait, we gotta open the other package. 2 packages in one day, people. Oh my freaking god. Okay, there you go. There you go, cameraman. Okay, let's see what's inside. No way, it's the Boppin' original. Say what? Wait a second. Oh my god, we need batteries for this. Let's try the other one. No way. Oh my god, no way. No way. Maybe we can just... It's the Boppin' Extreme, baby! But... God damn. Thing is heavy. Get out. Yes, yes. There it is. Yes. Looks like this one needs batteries too. Okay, so we need to be prepared for this damn thing. Feels weird than the other Boppets, guys. Feels like... Yeah, the twisted is not smooth like the other ones. It's like... And the flick this time it's not attached. Look at that. Look at that. This time it's not attached. It's like you can move it anywhere. You can wig it around. Let me see if there's batteries inside of this. No batteries? They don't give us something to be prepared? What the heck, man? Come on, there has to be batteries or something. There has to be. They can't leave us hanging with no batteries at all. Come on. No. No way, they can't leave us with no batteries, can they? Yeah, guys, I'm gonna have to go get some batteries. I'll see you guys in the next video to get some batteries. I'm sorry, I guess I'll just call this video comment box. Oh god, no batteries. Stupid goddamn worker giving me a Boppin' with no batteries. Well guys, I'm gonna have to